To make payments and transfer between accounts in NetBank, visit netbank.com.au and log on using your NetBank ID and password. Select Transfers and BPay from the menu at the top of the screen. If you want to transfer between your own accounts, simply select the account you want to transfer from and the account you want to transfer to. Or, if you're making a payment to someone else, select the account you want to transfer from. Click Add New, then enter the name of the account holder, the 6-digit BSB, and the account number. You can also choose to save these details to your address book for future payments. Enter the amount you want to transfer and add a description. If your payment is more than your daily transfer limit, you can change this by clicking Change Limit. Choose whether you want to make the transfer now or later, or if you want to set up regular payments. Then click Next. Ensure you check the payment details are correct and click Pay. If this is a first-time payment, you may require a netcode to verify your payment. To do this, simply follow the instructions on screen. Once your transfer is complete, you will get a receipt. You can email a copy of this to yourself or others. You can learn more about NetBank at commbank.com.au/NetBank.